Hi, it's Aidan from 123 3D here, and today we're going to show you some of the main types of 3D filament that we hold, as well as a few examples of what you can create using it. When choosing your filament, it's important to think about the thickness of printer filament you'll need. Check your 3D printer to find out what it accepts. Generally it'll be 1.75mm, with greater thickness of filament being mainly used in industrial printers. We recommend our tried and tested 123 3D own brand filament. Made in Europe, our filament is premium quality at a reasonable price, easy to use and better value. You'll only need to print once with 123 3D own brand filament. First up is the most popular type of filament, PLA. User-friendly and available to buy from us in many different colours. PLA is a responsible choice as it's made from renewable sources such as cornstarch. PLA is a hard thermoplastic with low shrinkage. It also features a relatively low melting temperature of 175 degrees C. Ideal for beginners and for general 3D printing applications, PLA is great for printing toys, containers and even props for cosplayers, as well as models for prototypes. Next up is TPU filament. TPU is a widely used filament. It is flexible and great for printing phone cases, rubber grips and racing drone parts. TPU is very strong and ideal for impact resistance. Next up is ABS filament. This lightweight thermoplastic filament is available to buy from us in a variety of finishes and colours. ABS is a very strong type of 3D printer filament. It is both heat and weather resistant. ABS is commonly used in injection moulding and has many different industrial applications. It can be used to print musical instruments, moving parts and more. A modified version of PETG is a combination of the best parts of PLA and ABS filaments. Strong and easy to use, PETG is great for creating water repellent prints as it doesn't absorb water and it's also recyclable. PETG can be used to print mechanical parts, outdoor planters, retail displays and more. Finally, we have a very strong and water resistant type of filament. ASA filament is a high resistance to chemicals and UV radiation. This durable 3D filament is commonly used for outdoor objects, car parts and prototypes. Well, there's just some of the 3D printing filaments that we stock. You'll find many different types of 3D filaments on our website. Here at 123 3D, our specialist team of 3D experts are ready to help you with any questions you may have. We've got thousands of items in stock and most orders are delivered to you next working day. Whether you're a 3D printing expert or a beginner, the sky's the limit with 123 3D.